today, and she's going to talk about their upcoming meeting, which will be a week from today on March 10th. Welcome. Great to have you here today.
Yep.
So what is going to be your theme this time around for your meeting?
Okay, well, you know, St. Patty's Day is this month, so we're going to keep that in mind.
Okay.
We're going to have a little decor and little leprechaun and clover, you know, 4-leaf clovers.
There you go.
But this is something I'm going to tell everybody that's watching this that has not been announced, so this is a scoop. We're going to have door prizes, and anyone who wears green will get 2 tickets.
All right.
We don't sell the tickets, so everybody gets 1 ticket, but if they've got green on, they're going to get 2.
All right, and that's for the raffle you're going to do?
Yeah, it's like a door prize, yeah, like a raffle, yes.
Yeah, very good.
So yeah, that's a little Village TV scoop.
All right. Now, what's it? You know, every meeting you usually have some sort of a thing you focus on.
So we're going to be talking about. The title is "Hearing Your Best Does Not Happen by Luck."
Okay.
And basically, what that means is there's a lot of factors that come into play. It's not just hearing aids.
Right.
It's not just the exam. And it is understanding your own hearing loss is really important.
Yes, that's true.
And the relationship you have with your hearing aid provider, it's critical. So we're going to be learning, they're going to be talking about, we're going to have Anne Mundell-Noel, and we're going to have Dr. Alan Shade, who also practices in the same office. And so it's really going to be exciting. We're meeting Dr. Shade for the first time at our club. So I'm excited about that.
Now, as far as the theme goes, you're going to kind of go over what the different options that are available, and
that's part of it.
You know, not just picking something out just to. That's the first one you see, but you really have to, like you said, not by luck. You really have to do a little
It's not by
research.
luck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So, well, I'm not going to be the presenter, so I don't have an outline.
Okay.
But I know Anne Mundell-Noel. She is the audiology advisor for the Hearing Well Club. I get a lot of questions, most of which I can handle on a peer-to-peer basis, based on my years of experience. But sometimes it requires a technical response, and she's there for me. So she responds to that. And when she's at meetings, she's open to talk with anybody about their concerns.
Yeah, very good. Now, again, the meeting is next week, so next Tuesday at Dining Room 2 over at the Performing Arts Center.
Doors open at 1:30.
Yeah, and you wanted to mention, though, although this will be not starting for a couple of months, there'll be changes to the meetings
it's going to be more than a couple of months.
Yeah.
They're going to renovate the Performing Arts Center.
Right.
And so everybody that's been holding meetings there has to be relocated while that is going on. It's anticipated to be May through December.
Yes, yeah.
So we already have a whole bank of presenters scheduled, but we're going to have to reschedule them. I sat down with Recreation yesterday, and in order to have consistency in our new place and time, we have to change the date. We have to shift the time a little bit. So this may start in May. Hopefully by the end of this week or next week, I'll know for sure about May. Because if construction is delayed, then we can keep our May meeting right where it is. But when we move, we're going to be in Clubhouse 7.
Oh, you will be? Okay.
So because it's looped, that was a criteria, and the meeting's going to start at 2 o'clock. Well, doors open at 2 o'clock. I'm going to start meetings a little sooner. I'm not going to take a whole half an hour. We're going to start like 2:15.
Yeah.
A lot of presenters, you know, come from out of town or whatever, and they want to get on the freeway and get home. So you know. So it starts at 2 o'clock. We're going to have a little bit shorter meetings. So we'll take, presenters will have 45 minutes and 15 minutes Q&A. So, but I don't want to, it's not going to be rushed. So we'll get it in, but it's going to be on Wednesday. The first Wednesday, which will change my time with you. It'll be the first Wednesday of the month. and definitely starting in June, and May is iffy, and that'll run all the way through December.
Okay, all right, very good. But this meeting is the regular place and time. Next week, Tuesday the 10th, and that will be at the Performing Arts Center Dining Room 2. Doors open at 1:30.
Exactly.
All right, very good.
Can I just, I want to do a plug. I'm going to be doing a little presentation. I'm at the end of a presentation that's happening today, Clubhouse 1 at 1:30.
Okay.
And my part, it's going to be hearing and memory and the fact that they're connected. And social services is actually
very good.
sponsoring this. And my part at the end is I'm going to be talking about hearing assistive technology in Laguna Woods. What's available in the different clubhouses. I'm going to be bringing samples and showing people and, you know, how to get prepared for that and how they can hear better in meetings that have good assistive technology. So that's at 1:30 Clubhouse 1, the main room.
All right, very good. Good to see you again, as always.
Thanks, Ken.
You take care, and we'll be right back.